everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we are back with a Tech Tuesday again, and we had mentioned in previous videos with OBS about some of the camera settings, and we're going to talk about that today. But first, make sure you do like and subscribe to all these so that way you'll get notifications when there's an individual one that's coming out that you're looking for. Either if it's part of this series, whatever series it may be, or videos that we're trying to produce for you guys. Also, make sure to put in the comments and in any emails about some of the problems that you're having or issues, and we'll try to put a video out there as quick as we can. We always do review those and get videos out. So today we're going to talk about the camera settings. We had talked about putting in the implementation of the green screen. But today we're going to talk about the, some of you had some questions about recording your mic. Now, depending upon what kind of camera you have, you can actually use either the one that we use as we had talked. We're using the Logitech, which has literally a built-in microphone, but we have that microphone shut off. We use the Yeti microphone. So if you're wanting to use a microphone, you'll see here there's a microphone already set up on the screen. It sets it up automatically for you, and you can see it's trying to register on this one here. You can't see it because it's behind me right now, and I'm talking. It's covered up with the OBS screen, but I have mine shut off, and you can, let's say if you had the Logitech speaker on, but then you also had a Yeti speaker, make sure that you shut off one or the other, because if you have two of them on, and this was a question, you had some echo and some echo problem. This was one of the questions. Well, you have two speakers recording, so they're trying to simultaneously record, so they're going to echo. So shut off one of them, and that'll fix that. Now, the second thing is, the other question was you don't have any sound because your camera that you're utilizing doesn't have a mic in it. So I'm not sure what camera you were using because we didn't really get that within that response. But depending upon which camera you're using, most of them do have an internal mic. Now, some of them do not. If they don't, and you want to use an external mic, and we don't get paid by Yeti, but that's something we do recommend. We just like it. We use it. So you click on the audio input capture. So this would be your microphone. So you would just go ahead and click on that. Now, of course, if you have a Yeti, just name it Yeti, and you'll see we just have mic 1, mic 2, auxiliary mic. We have several different mics when we're utilizing different recording systems. But let's say you just had your Yeti, and then you click OK. So once you click OK, your mic will pop up over here, and as you see, like I said, it's behind me, but there's also within these mics there's some settings, and we'll talk about those filters in the next segment. But we wanted to show you how to add your Yeti, and that's how you do that, or any mic that you're wanting to add. So we hope this video helps, and we'll see you on the next one.